Make a great choice today with the 2018 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.